Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the RSAT features on your Windows 11. RST is Remote Server Administrator Tools for the administrator to help and take the server access. So how to install it, just click on here and even you can search here the settings and then go to system and type here feature. And once you type where this FEAT feature optional features should be appeared, then click on view features, click on see available features, and now you need to search RSAT, and now you need to select 5 options here. The 5 options I have already taken the screenshot. First one is Active Directory Domain Services. So this is the option, Active Directory Domain Services. Second one is BitLocker Drive, this option. Third option is DHCP server tool. Fourth option is DNS server. And fifth option is Data Central Bridging LLDP tool. You just need to tick these options and click on add. And once you add it, it will be done on your computer. Just restart your Windows and after that it will be successfully installed on your computer. So this is how you can install it, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.